Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a inline-six 3-liter turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 19-inch alloys. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Rear seats. Third row seats. We've got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down third row seats. Come alongside this. Does come with blind spot assist. A keyless entry. A dark gray linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls that are displayed on two 10.25 high resolution screens. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Touchscreen media display, navigation, a rear view backup camera. This one also does come with the all-new MBUX, which is Mercedes-Benz artificial intelligence. You can give it simple voice commands such as by saying, "Hey my Mercedes." "Hey my Mercedes."
How may I help you?
"Change ambient lights to red."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. We've got dual climate controls, a wireless charging station, cup holders, our new touchpad for our media display, dynamic selects. This GLS has 5,526 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmanimports.com.